Across Africa, communities and partners are restoring degraded landscapes through tree planting. But planting trees alone is not enough. Survival rates often remain low when the wrong species are selected, when seed quality is poor, or when seedlings are not properly raised and planted in suitable locations. The Quality Tree Seed for Africa project is working to change this by improving access to quality seed, training communities, and building strong partnerships to support restoration at scale. This approach is already being put into practice on the ground. In Rwanda, across Musanze, Gakenke, and Nyabihu districts, C4 ICRAF has joined forces with Nature Rwanda and Wildlife Conservation International. An initial planting event brought together 400 farmers along the Mukinga and Mukungwa rivers to plant 1,700 native seedlings, raised from more than 40 selected mother trees across 3 species. Beyond the planting, farmers have strengthened their skills in soil preparations and tree care, helping to ensure long-term survival. In Kenya, over 500 farmers in Utuneni, Makueni County, planted more than 2,000 drought-resilient native fruit trees. With Ahadi Achievers and government partners, farmers received training on quality seed collection, climate-smart tree growing, and biodiverse agroforestry suited to arid conditions and variable rainfall. Tree planting days build momentum for restoration and sustainability for locally led restoration as communities become champions for local efforts. Equipped with the knowledge on the importance of quality tree seed and seedlings and what native tree species are suited to their conditions. From Rwanda to Kenya, tree seedlings are being planted with purpose, ensuring communities are building ecosystem resilience and restoring land for generations to come.